Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy cocktails with vodka. Let's dive right into some simple recipes you can whip up in minutes. We'll explore how to combine vodka with common mixers to create refreshing drinks without any fuss. These straightforward methods are ideal for anyone looking to enjoy a delicious cocktail quickly and easily, whether you're hosting friends or just relaxing at home. Get ready to impress with minimal effort. First up, the incredibly simple vodka soda or tonic. To make a vodka soda, pour 2 ounces of your favorite vodka into a glass filled with ice. Top it off with soda water and give it a gentle stir. A squeeze of fresh lime and a lime wedge garnish really brightens the flavor. If you prefer a slightly sweeter taste, simply swap the soda water for tonic water to create a refreshing vodka tonic. Both are wonderfully crisp and easy to enjoy. Next, let's explore 2 fruit-forward classics, the screwdriver and the Cape Codder. For a screwdriver, combine 2 ounces of vodka with 4 ounces of chilled orange juice in a glass with ice. Stir gently and garnish with an orange slice for that iconic look. If you're in the mood for something different, swap the orange juice for 4 ounces of cranberry juice to create a vibrant Cape Codder. Both are delightfully simple and bursting with flavor. Finally, let's craft a zesty Moscow Mule. In a copper mug or glass filled with ice, combine 2 ounces of vodka, 4 ounces of spicy ginger beer, and 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. Stir everything together gently to mix the flavors. Garnish with a lime wedge for a perfect presentation. This cocktail is incredibly refreshing and has a delightful kick. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.